Hi, today's video is regarding HP OfficeJet 3831 all-in-one printer. I'm going to show you how to do the copy, print and scan. So let's start with the copy. First step is we can use the top scanner. So place a page facing downwards on the right hand side corner and display screen shows the copy option. So click on the copy and click on start with black. So here we can see the copy is quite easy as it is on the one side of this page. Now to do it on the back side of the page, now place the second page here, and so now this page will be going like this, upside down and the reverse, and click on the copy again. So here we can see we have copied on the both sides of this page. Now I'll show you how to copy on the one side of a page, for example to copy ID. So here I have an ID card here, so just place it here on the top side of the scanner and click on the start color. So that is the one side of this page. Print the second side of the ID here. For that we have to put it down, so the page should be facing downwards again, and just the front side place it in here. Now open the top scanner and place the ID little bit below here with the other side facing downside, and click on the start color or copy. So here we can see, so this way we can do the copy of ID card on a single page on the one side. Now I'll show you how to do the wireless printing and scanning with this printer. For that I'm going to use the printer's inbuilt Wi-Fi system. Now go to the printer's display panel. Now to activate the Wi-Fi Direct, click on the Wi-Fi Direct icon. As you can see, that is the second icon on the screen. So on this screen you see the status is on. It displays the name of the printer and also the password. If the Wi-Fi Direct is not switched on, you just have to click on the setting, and here you see Wi-Fi Direct. You can switch on from here. Now go back and write down this password. Now you can connect your printer with your Android device or iPhone. So it's the same process for both phones. So I'm going to use iPhone here. Download the HP Smart app from the App Store. Once you download it, open the setting option and go for Wi-Fi setup. You will see the name of the printer is going to be displayed here. So once you see the name of the printer, that is Direct HP OfficeJet 3830 series, click on that. Enter the password as it was displayed on the screen and click on the join button. So you can see here it is connected. Go back. Open the HP Smart app. We have to add the printer here, so click on the plus button on the top. You will see the name of the printer displayed here again. Click on that and it will add the printer here shortly. Now I'll show you how to do the wireless printing. For that you can select the print document section and it will display all the available files you have on your phone. For example, you can print the photos, all files, or if you have any HP Smart files or you have scanned in this folder. Now click any of this file and send a command, for example this, and here you will see the print option. Click on that and it displays here, and you can click on the print. So here we can see it has printed. Now I'll show you how to do the wireless scanning. To do the scanning again, we open the HP Smart app and go to the home, and in this screen you see the printer scan option here, also scan button here. So click on scan and you will see this screen here. Now open the top scanner lid. And place a page facing downwards on the right hand side. Close the lid and click on this blue icon. So here we can see it says scanning is finished, and that is the scan available here. You can also do the multiple scannings. For that you can click on the plus button. Now again open the top scanner lid and place a second page facing downwards. Click on the blue icon. So here we can see the second page is available. Also this printer has the option to use the top feeder tray. To use that we can just simply open the top feeder tray and place a page facing like this as it shows here, and just slide it in and you will hear a sound. Now click on the plus button again and click on the blue icon. Here you can add a number of pages all together and it will scan all of them one by one, and then you will see all the files are available just as a single document. So just wait for that. So here you can see the page has arrived here and it has scanned the page. So here we can see the scanning is finished. So all three pages are here. So it depends, if you want to use multiple pages you can use the top feeder tray. You can put all them together and it will scan all the files and transfer to your phone. Here you can save it once you are done. So you will see share or save button. Click on that. You can change the name of the file. For the format you can select PDF as you are going to use multiple pages and click on the save button. Now you also get an option if you want to use it, if you want to share it as an email or any other option, and once it is done you can just click on the save button. If in the same way you can use it for the copy of multiple pages, so just place here and click on the copy button and it will copy all the documents. Thanks for watching.